Welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing an ultra-luxury modified van built on the platform of the GMC Savana, transformed into a rolling VIP lounge. This is not just a van. This is a statement vehicle designed for executives, celebrities, luxury transport services, and anyone who wants 5-star comfort on wheels. In this full review, we'll cover the exterior design, suspension setup, wheels, interior luxury, technology, engine performance, ride quality, and estimated price. Let's start with the exterior design. From the front, this customized Savana looks bold and aggressive. The large chrome grille with GMC badging gives it a commanding road presence. The sharp LED headlights with modern daytime running lights create a futuristic appearance. The front bumper has been fully customized with sporty aerodynamic elements and a low front splitter, enhancing both the visual appeal and stance. One of the biggest highlights is the lowered air suspension setup. This van sits extremely low to the ground, giving it a show car stance. The air suspension system allows the vehicle to adjust ride height, meaning it can be raised for driving and lowered for display. This setup is perfect for exhibitions, luxury showrooms, and VIP events. Moving to the side profile, the oversized multi-spoke chrome alloy wheels immediately grab attention. These large VIP-style rims combined with low-profile tires give the van a premium custom look. The black and white geometric body design, or wrap, adds a modern artistic touch, making it stand out even more. The powered sliding door opens smoothly to reveal the true highlight of this vehicle, the luxury interior. Now let's talk about the interior, which completely transforms the van into a private luxury lounge. As soon as the sliding door opens, you are welcomed by premium brown quilted leather upholstery. The rear cabin features an L-shaped sofa layout with diamond stitching, offering maximum comfort and style. The craftsmanship is clearly high-end, with attention to detail in every stitch and panel. In the center, there is a custom wooden center table with a polished finish. It includes space for drinks, personal items, and even business meeting essentials. This layout makes the van perfect for executive meetings on the move or relaxed long-distance travel. The roof features a stunning starlight ceiling, inspired by high-end luxury vehicles. At night, it creates the effect of a starry sky, adding a magical and premium atmosphere to the cabin. Ambient LED lighting is integrated throughout the interior and can often be customized to different colors, allowing passengers to set the mood. A large flat-screen display is mounted in the rear cabin for entertainment. Whether you want to watch movies, give presentations, or connect gaming consoles, this van offers full multimedia capability. Combined with a premium sound system, it delivers a true theater-like experience. Now moving to the front cabin. The driver's area has also been fully upgraded with quilted brown leather and wood trim finishes. The dashboard includes a modern infotainment touchscreen system with navigation, rear-view camera, and connectivity features. The multifunction steering wheel adds convenience, and the center console continues the wood-end leather luxury theme. Both the driver and front passenger seats are captain-style seats with armrests, offering excellent comfort even on long journeys. Despite being a large vehicle, the driving position feels commanding and premium. Now let's talk about performance. The GMC Savana 4500 typically comes equipped with a powerful 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine produces around 400 horsepower and approximately 600 Nm of torque. That is more than enough power to move this large luxury van smoothly and confidently. It is paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth gear shifts. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures stable power delivery, especially on highways. Even though this custom build adds extra weight due to luxury modifications, the V8 engine handles it comfortably. The ride quality depends on the suspension setup. With air suspension, the vehicle can offer a smooth ride on highways and city roads. However, Because this particular build is extremely lowered for show purposes, it is best suited for smooth roads rather than rough terrain. In terms of safety, features may include ABS, traction control, stability control, multiple airbags, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Higher-end builds may also include a 360-degree camera system. Now let's discuss pricing. A standard GMC Savana base model in international markets usually starts between $40,000 and $50,000 depending on configuration. However, a fully customized VIP conversion like this, including luxury interior build, star ceiling, premium sound system, custom wheels, body kit, and air suspension, can raise the total price to anywhere between $120,000 and $200,000, or even more depending on customization level. In markets like Pakistan, after import duties, taxes, and custom build costs, the total price could reach several crores in local currency. Overall, this luxury modified GMC Savana is not about speed. It's about presence, comfort, exclusivity, and VIP status. It is designed for business executives, celebrities, luxury transport companies, and anyone who wants unmatched comfort on the road. If you enjoyed this full luxury van review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.